Running multi-channel marketing campaigns can be a real challenge, but with Vendasta, it becomes a whole lot easier. In this video, I'll show you how to use Vendasta to streamline your campaigns, so stick with me because you're going to learn some game-changing tools. You can start using Vendasta completely free through the first link below, where we're offering exclusive bonuses for those who sign up. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly can Vendasta help me with multi-channel marketing? Well, here's the thing. With Vendasta, you're able to run campaigns across multiple platforms, whether that's social media, email, or even search engine ads, all from one centralized dashboard. The first thing you'll notice is how intuitive the platform is, saving you time and energy that would have gone into juggling multiple tools. Next thing, Vendasta allows you to fully automate many aspects of your campaigns, including audience targeting, content scheduling, and ad performance tracking. You can set up your ads to be displayed across different channels and ensure your messaging is consistent without lifting a finger after the initial setup. The third thing that sets Vendasta apart is its advanced analytics and reporting tools. You'll be able to see real-time results, track ROI, and get insights that can help you tweak your campaigns for better performance. This means you won't have to guess what's working and what's not. You'll know exactly where to focus your efforts. The fourth thing you should know is that Vendasta's platform integrates with dozens of other tools and platforms. This integration ensures that you can connect all your marketing efforts seamlessly, even if you're using other services like Google Ads, Facebook, or email marketing platforms. You get the flexibility of managing everything in one place, making life a whole lot easier. And here's something you won't want to miss. Vendasta also offers white label solutions, so if you're working with clients or on behalf of a business, you can personalize everything to reflect your brand. This makes it a great option for agencies or businesses that want to create a branded experience for their customers. The final thing to consider is the customer support Vendasta offers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, their support team is there to guide you every step of the way. You won't be left in the dark trying to figure out how to run campaigns effectively. To wrap things up, remember, Vendasta is all about helping you run multi-channel marketing campaigns in a simple and efficient way. And don't forget, you can try this amazing software completely free with our exclusive bonus by clicking the first link below. So, if you're ready to simplify your marketing campaigns and improve your results, give Vendasta a shot. Be sure to check the link for your extended free trial and start mastering your marketing today.